Love sometimes can be something very hard, very difficult, very hard. But at the same time, guys, you got to understand how to love yourself. You have to understand what to do and how to appreciate yourself. Because I want to share this with you. Whatever you do, however way, whatever the way that you think in life, you can control someone, but you are not be able to. You cannot make somebody love you. But one thing you can do, you can love yourself. Because whatever you do, man, you try to do whatever you do, try to get attention from that person, leave everything behind, leave all your personal life, friends, people that who really love you, people that who really pay you attention. You quit them. You cut off the conversation with them. You cut off the communication with them. So you don't really care about those people anymore because you have somebody that you do care. But guess what? One of the things that I want to share with you, the reason why I'm sharing this video is just to show you that whatever you do in life, if you don't love yourself, nobody will love you. Because if you love yourself, you will know exactly the value of yourself. You will know what you're worth. Because you take time for yourself. Because you know exactly what love's supposed to be. And then you will appreciate the love that you give yourself, and then you hope somebody give you the same thing in return. And you be able to love somebody the same way that you love yourself. But if you don't have self-love, self-control to understand exactly who you are, why you do the things you do, why you bring the person that you bring in your life can be a hell. But I want to share this with you guys. Start learning how to love yourself, build yourself, appreciate yourself. But once you do that, you will know exactly. And I'm sharing this video with you guys. It is the Haitian music video. But this is one of the video that at one point of a time in life, I think I was going that path. But I have to ask myself this question. What it is that exactly that is going on? Why? And then that was my why. And I want you guys to understand there's no condition is permanent in life. And I want you guys to understand once you start loving yourself, you will know exactly where your whys is a stand. And you will know exactly whoever that you bring in your life, you will know how to appreciate that person because you do not want to live the same lifestyle that you live in the past. And you will learn how to move forward. You will learn how to leave the past behind. Because you know why? Because the past is the past no matter what happened. You gotta keep on moving forward because you cannot love no one if you don't love yourself. Because all you're doing is just committing suicide to yourself. It's committing a bodily suicide, it's a mindless suicide to yourself because you do not take time to understand exactly the value who love you. If you don't love yourself, nobody can love you until you start loving yourself. And at the end of the day, once you love yourself, you will find the right person that is for you. And that's the only way that you can understand yourself. Is by spend time with yourself, by knowing who you are. And that's what it's called self-love. So you do not want anybody to looking at you to unappreciate you and their life. Because you learn how to love yourself.